Hey everyone, it's me Shenell here, and today I have my 2021 Christmas home tour, and along with that there will be a decorate with me in a couple of areas that I have not featured for the entire Christmas season. That you will see me working in the area of the formal dining room. I will also go into the master bedroom and also my maker room. These rooms you have not seen yet during the holiday season for this Christmas season. So we're going forth to the decorate with me portion of the video, and then I will show you the entirety of the formal dining room area, and I'm giving you an overview of that area. Then we will proceed to the maker room as well, along with the master bedroom. For the DIY in this area, I am going to be doing it on a wreath or a piece of garland that is going on top or in front of the mirror that you see, which is behind me in the formal area. I am going to add a few extra green picks to the magnolia garland because I just wanted to add a little bit more pretty to it and make it coincide a little bit better with the Christmas tree, which is flocked. I'm going to add the greens that has a natural look to it, but it is faux. And then the flock one, and just like the name says, it is flocked. I will add that with the magnolia wreath, and also doing that to extend the length of it so that it flows down in front of the mirror and just creates a little bit more of the pretty factor. Along with that, I am using browns as I have during the Christmas holiday season thus far with the place settings that I'm going to do, which is a tablescape that I will be adding to the video. So I hope you enjoy this portion of the video. So stay tuned in for the complete video in its entirety. Grab yourself a snack and a drink and enjoy. First thing you'll see me add is some gold wire, and I could have used floral tape or floral wiring, but this is the same thing. It's gold. I had it around the house, and you know, Shenell, she likes me gold anyway. You won't be able to see it along the wreath because it'll be well hidden behind all of the branches. And we're just going to take your branch and you're just going to roll it around, intertwine it in between the branches of the magnolia wreath or whatever type of wreath that you have. I'm using scissors. I should be using some wire cutters, but these are just some extra scissors that I have on hand that I use to cut things like this with. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to adorn the garland a little bit more with a free-flowing ribbon, as I did before in a way previous video, which I'll link down below in the description box, when I started the Christmas decorating season initially in my shop with the red ribbon that I added to the tree. As you can see, with the wire that I add to the wreath or to the garland, it is concealed very well that you do not see it, considering the fact that it is gold. Next, you will see me do another DIY, which I don't do the complete DIY on the video. I'm going to be taking down these pieces that I have done in the previous year and add these gold frames. They are a bit more of a champagne color. They are not heavily gilded with the gold, but I do like gold, and I thought it'd add a little bit of a shine, a sparkle to the space. I have these plates that I have had for probably about 4 years, and I finally decided what I wanted to do with them, which was frame them in a shadow box form. I really like them again because they are gilded with the gold, and they have the off-white creamy color along with the texture that you see that's raised on them. And as I told you at the top of the video, I'm going to add a little bit more of this lovely brown ribbon just to add that wispy feeling, that softness to the garland. And we all know that the real joy of the season, when we celebrate the joy of Jesus, God's given Son to our world. I have only and am so grateful to express all of the eye beauty throughout my home and throughout the spaces the entire year, especially during the holiday season, and to share it with you all. And maybe you can be inspired and get motivated to get moving in your own unique way, adding some eye candy to your spaces. With our lives being as hectic as they usually are from day to day, I just thought we can all create something that is peaceful and restful and inspiring just to come home to, that we can find value so much in our lives, with even in our spaces throughout the different seasons. We know that during this time, emotions can run rampant and they can definitely run deep. But we can change our perspective, to change our outlook, to see and feel differently. And we can do that by choosing to see and follow things that are encouraging and motivating and has moved us throughout the years. So even though you see me doing and smiling during these times, I have had my hard days and moments as well that I have had to overcome. And I just want to let you know that, you can too. So please, ma'am, please, sir, just to think on these things to change your mindset. As the Bible says in the scriptures, think on these things. As for me and my family, what I have modeled and established in my home, being a firm foundation with God, my faith, my joy, establishing understanding, family growth, and many, many more things. My hope is that you accentuate your home, your life, and your family with the peace of God, that perfectly placed item of joy from within, the baubles of loving moments that have been created, and special ornaments of memories in your heart to withstand the test of time throughout each season. So I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. Stay encouraged and enjoy the rest of the tour. And with that all being said, we will be going into my maker room, which is the area that I created a few months ago. And I use this area in order to create my pillow covers and different DIYs and things that I make, and I do sell to customers from this area. The cutting table is still in the room in front of it, and that is where I do all of my cutting of the different fabrics. So enjoy the rest of the tour. This has been Shenell. Stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful, if not for yourself, then for someone else.
It's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.